My name is Marcel in Veld and I am the founder of i-hygienic. I'm a cleaner by heart. My family owned a cleaning company and I've joined that since I was 14, so I started working in the company when I was 14 years old. In 2010, I decided I wanted to do something else with my professional life. My daughter was born and I wanted to leave a different footprint on this planet. In the same time, one of my colleagues had a very big accident where he lost his fingertips on a very highly acidic product. I decided I wanted to do it differently and it had to be now. Why? Because the products were not very green, the products were unsafe and not always effective. We decided to start developing these 100% effective, green and safe cleaning liquids. We also found out that developing those kind of products isn't very easy. So we really had to find alternate technologies to be able to find the product solutions that are just as effective as the, let's say, polluting traditional cleaning agents that are currently on the market.
The i-hygienic line is a portfolio of plant-based cleaning agents that span across the whole gamut of applications in professional cleaning. The line comprises 10 application areas ranging from dish to laundry to floor cleaning to hard surface cleaning to personal care. A very comprehensive line. They are distinguished by 4 key features. The first one is they are fully sustainable, not just the liquid in the bottle, which is derived from plant-based materials and not petroleum-based materials, but also the packaging. The packaging is also derived from plants. It is based on bioethanol derived from sugarcane. So the product as a whole has a negative carbon footprint, beginning from the negative carbon footprint from the bioethanol packaging. The second key feature of the line is safety. The products are non-classified from a CLP or GHS point of view. Therefore, you will not see any pictograms on the label or on the STSs. And in theory, no personal protective equipment is required for handling of the concentrates. This is quite unique in the industry. Of course, we always recommend, as good industrial practice, to always use goggles and gloves. The third key feature of the line is the simplicity with which the portfolio is organized.
What we did is we built the ultimate selecting tool. Our product offering comprises now 128 different products. Those different products can be selected in the selector tool by just 3 easy clicks to find always the right product. And not 10 different options, just the one you need.
Another nice feature of the label is that it contains a QR code that when scanned takes you to the SDS of the product. And the fourth characteristic of the line is the fact that the line of products is very efficient yet cost effective. There has been no compromise in cleaning performance versus traditional petroleum-derived products. In other words, the cleaning of the products is equivalent or better than any of the legacy petroleum-based cleaning agents. While at the same time, their use is cost-effective. In fact, in general, when you look across the portfolio, on average, the in-use cost is actually around 56% lower than with traditional competitive products. So one thing that people ask me is, why is that combination of performance and cost effectiveness in a sustainable, safe portfolio unique? Why hasn't anybody else come up with it, especially the big cleaning companies? And I think probably the main reason has to do with the fact that the large established cleaning companies, although they do have green lines, they still have a very important legacy of products to protect. So there is a legacy there to protect margin. There's not an incentive to put all your marbles in green cleaning products, which typically will have lower margin. In our case, because of the legacy of the company Hygienic, since the beginning has always focused on products that are safe and sustainable. The company had nothing to lose as a forward-thinking player in the safe and green space. And to me, that's the main reason for why this portfolio is different from the user's point of view than the legacy company's green portfolios.
And with the collaboration of i-hygienic and i-team, i-team can now offer you a complete team of cleaning professionals that are all specialists in cleaning agents. And with that team of 30 professionals, we can help you with every daily cleaning task and every possible cleaning problem you can think of.
So if you want to experience the i-hygienic line for yourself, please come by the CMS show in Berlin. We're going to be there from September 23rd to September 26th, and you can see the line and experience the line for yourself.